Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Honda Civic. Guys, we're talking about Honda Civic generation from year 2016 to year 2021. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the rear window washer relay is located, because the rear window washer doesn't work. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You will have that on the hatchback version. Sedan does not have this one. And we will explain where you can buy cheap relays, fuses from, that way you don't waste your money. And we will talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Make sure to stay until the end. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the rear window washer relay, we're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic. You guys have 2 fuse box specifically on that car, and the fuse box that we'll need to work on is located right under the hood right here. If we zoom in a little bit, okay, let me zoom in a little bit here, you're going to see that's the fuse box. You need to open that cover, and if you open that cover you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like that. This is the front of the car, this is towards the windshield side. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which relay you will have? Now specifically our car, okay, on a sedan we do not have that relay. Hatchback will have that relay, guys. Right here now, if you pay attention on the very top towards the windshield side where we have 2 empty spots right here. Some of you may have a relay holder here, it's known, and you will have, guys, you have on some cars no relays here. You may have 1 relay or you may have 2 relays. The relay for the rear window washer will be on the left side right here above that big relay. It will be right here. That will be the relay that you will need to check if you have problems with the rear window washer not working. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.